Do you want an amazing yard on a budget? A yard that your friends rave about? In this video, I'm going to show you my proven strategy for having cozy outdoor living spaces in any area of your yard. And if you do it my way, it won't cost you much at all. This method will show you the 5 essential layers to achieve the ultimate outdoor living spaces on a budget. The goal is to make your yard feel as cozy as the inside of your home. Choose areas that have an anchoring point, next to a tree, against the fence, or in a corner. Or create your own anchoring point by adding a simple backdrop. The first category is furniture. It's one of the biggest elements that defines your outdoor space. Look for furniture where you can relax, sleep, eat, and maybe even watch a movie. I have woods in the back of my yard, and this proves that you don't even need to get fancy. I think of this as my living room, sleeping area, and dining space where I eat, read, and do art projects. I get all great deals on my outdoor furniture. It comes from clearance sales, thrift shops, garage sales, Facebook Marketplace, flea markets, and sometimes friends will give me furniture because they know I like to redo it. Our good friend installed the swing for me, and now I can dream all summer in my perennial garden. Remember, you can borrow from nature too, like using tree stumps as chairs or tables. As you can see, they really harmonize with nature. And don't forget to repurpose your indoor wood and metal furniture for the outdoors. Tables and chairs can be easily waterproof for outdoor use. And you could find exceptional deals, like this $5 patio set I picked up at a garage sale. This chase lounge that I found on Facebook Marketplace is ideal. It's super high quality, and I can wheel it around my deck for sun or shade throughout the day. And think about these ideas for all seasons. Check out how I set up a seating area down by the river so I can sneak out in the winter and still enjoy nature and a hot bowl of soup. These simple $5 garage sale chairs create a mini room feeling and the perfect place to enjoy nature. When you start thinking like this, you'll never run out of creative places to add more seating areas. The next category is height. You can never go wrong by taking your decor upward. This includes anything elevated off the ground. Height adds layers of interest and gives your outdoor spaces that cozy indoor feeling. In this case, I took an ordinary divider, painted it with a metallic finish, and now I have a sturdy backdrop where I can display more of my favorite things. I have an abundance of charming, hanging decor everywhere, so no matter where you look, you feel welcomed. Hanging items on branches is one of my favorite ways to add instant height. I never get tired of adding height with these paper lanterns. They're inexpensive, and even though they're meant for indoor use, they can handle mild weather and a light rain. If a tree dies, take advantage of the situation. Here, I repurpose the trunks into natural trellises for my wisteria. Not only does this netting protect me from mosquitoes, but it also adds height and ambiance. Consider using tall plants like canna lilies to add visual height. They also add privacy. The next category for creating your outdoor living spaces is lighting. Lighting adds atmosphere. This is the category that brings instant warmth to your outdoor spaces. Lighting includes candles gently flickering at night, battery-operated lights adding a steady glow, and solar lights that are artfully placed throughout your space. Try layering different types of lighting instead of relying on just one. This is what creates that soft, high-end look. And don't forget to get creative. This thrifted $2.50 lamp became a dynamic outdoor solar light. And if you're lucky enough to have electricity nearby, there's no limit to the amount of festive outdoor lighting that you can enjoy. None of these cost much at all, but they add that expensive luxury feeling. The next area for cozy outdoor decorating is accessories. Accessories can really add your personality. They bring in the details and make your space feel truly special. You can get a lot of visual impact from accessories at a very low cost, especially when you find them like I do. I repurpose a lot of household items for outdoor decor, and I often get them from thrift stores and garage sales. Think of accessories as one of the finishing layers. This is what takes a space from ordinary to filled with charm and character. I also have accessories that are not only beautiful, but functional, like this plant stand that doubles as a storage box for my gardening gloves and tools. When a small bush died in my woods, I utilized its sturdy branches and used it as a display area for more of my favorite things. Check out this chunk of wood. I found it in my yard after my trees were trimmed. I'm glad I noticed its potential as a unique display stand for outdoor art. The final layer that brings everything together is the natural elements. That would be rocks, plants, and flowers. And there's no need to spend a lot. People are always giving away rocks and stones from their yards. And avid gardeners like myself love to share plants and flowers with anyone who admires them. Together, rocks, plants, and flowers create a natural foundation that tie everything into the landscape. They unify everything that you added and make it feel like it was all meant to be together. So these are the 5 layers that I use to create cozy outdoor decorating spaces on a budget. Whether it's a big yard space or just a small corner, the same layers make your yard feel intentional and pulled together. I hope you got some great ideas from this video, and I hope you'll subscribe. Happy outdoor decorating!